Welcome to Cobalt Tutorials. In this video, we will be focusing on Cobalt's general ledger accounts, which are an essential part of the accounting functionality in Engagement Dynamics. General ledger accounts allow staff to organize accounting data and have that data correctly mapped to your accounting software. There are 10 GL account types. For payments to function, each type needs an active default GL account. Cobalt starts out with a default for cash, discount, liability, receivables, revenue, shipping, tax, WIP, bad debt, and bad debt allowance. Don't let those last two worry you. They are designed to handle invoice write-offs. Organizations can use the provided default GL accounts or change the default to a custom account if desired. First, let's navigate to GL accounts by going to e-commerce and then GL accounts. Note that this may be in a different location depending on your organization's configuration. Click New. When creating a GL account, a name is required. This can be a text name or a number value as preferred by accounting staff. Though many organizations give a friendly text value for the name and then use the accounting software number in the mapped account and account number fields listed below. There's no functional difference between these fields, so either one, both, or neither can be used as desired. I'll call this one Store Sales and give it an account number of 387082. The only other required field on the record is the account type, which can be set to any one of the account types available. This one will be set to revenue. I can enter a description here for staff to note specific information for this GL account for internal reference. I'll say GL for on-site store sales. Below are the default account settings, and they're currently set to no. Any GL account can be made the default by toggling this value to yes. If I try to save with this value as yes, the system lets me know that there is already a default revenue GL. So if I wanted to reset this as the default revenue record, I would first need to toggle this value to no on my current default, and then update this one. For now, I'll set this to no and save again. If you do reset the defaults, it is best practice to make sure that your account type is the same type as the default account. Having a liability account as your default revenue can cause confusion and issues down the road. GL accounts can be linked to products to create proper GL entries as part of the sales process. The subgrid will populate with all products linked to this GL account if applicable. Another option is to set a batch definition that will route transactions based on queried criteria into a unique GL account. When the accounting department is ready to close the books, reports are available to pull the data for each GL entry for each account for transfer to a formal accounting system. Thank you for joining us for Cobalt Tutorials.